truly Luca G, and we gotta put the global on it because we're going global with this thing. I want to give y'all a proven case scenario. This is a house that we actually just bought and sold this house like 2 weeks ago. Purchase price of this house was $110,000. We actually sold the property for $130,000, which means that was a $20,000 spread in the middle. But we did not bring in $20,000 as an assignment fee because we actually bought and sold the house using transactional funding. So transactional funding is what you would use when you want to double close on the property. The reason why we double closed on the property is because we actually put this property on the MLS and sold it on the MLS versus just selling it off the market and assigning the fee. So come walk with me real quick. And the whole inside of this house, it was all gutted out. In the backyard, there's a 2-car garage. But what really sold this house, man, is that this house is sitting on 10,000 square feet. So if we walk back here, we'll see how big this lot is. Man, it's a huge lot. So this lot has a lot of potential to where that this house can be knocked down and you can build at least 2 duplexes on this lot. We're not going to go on the inside of the house because we already sold the house. Just want to let y'all know how easy this is. And you can do this in your neck of the woods, man. This is a house that's in my neighborhood, somewhere where I grew up. You can see the backyard, one of the garage doors open, and it was a couple of cars back there. And the old owner son wanted to get his car, so that's why you see the garage is tore up, because it wasn't like that when I sold it. This is a huge lot, a huge backyard, man. I'm looking forward to seeing what they do with it. Now, I don't know what the people plan on doing with the property, but hey, man, it's a lot of potential back here. They did do the plumbing and the electrical. If you look right here, you can see the plumbing is done right here. Oh, you can tell right here that they done the plumbing on the inside. So yeah, man, just want to give y'all a quick walk around this house real quick. Like I said, I'm not gonna go in the house. I do have footage from when I did a walkthrough. Man, it was completely gutted out to the studs. They started the rehab process, but they were not able to finish. And hey, guys, you can find deals like these everywhere. But start where you're from. Start in the neighborhood that you live at, you know what I'm saying? Or where you did live at once upon a time, and start uplifting the community and helping the community get the facelift that it deserves. Gentrification is not a bad thing. So, man, I just want to tap in real quick, give y'all a quick nugget for the day, man. Y'all stay up, man. Peace. And we got to put the global on it because we're going global with this thing.